guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing on the Neo Noe. I mean, obviously you can tell by the title, but before we get started into today's video, please subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, and also give this video a thumbs up at the end if you do decide you like it. So let's jump into this unboxing. Okay, so a little story behind this. I used to have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie or something. Hated it. I did an unboxing on that, so I'll link that up there. It's really cute and tiny, but honestly not for the price I paid for it. I really couldn't even fit anything in it, so that kind of sucked. So I actually ended up returning it and I got a credit for it. So I've been having that credit with my Louis Vuitton account for a while. Haven't used it because I've been wanting to get the Neo Noe. And then I kind of went back and forth like on this bag and another one. And I kind of just went back and forth, and then finally I was like, okay, I want to get this one. Then when I went to go get it, it's been out of stock online for about 2 months. 2 to 3 months I think it's been like not available. And for some reason I didn't think to give them a call, even though I did that with my Pochette Matisse. I don't know why I didn't call them. And then I was like, shoot, I'm just going to call them and see if any other store has it in stock, or if they have it, if they know like the store in Denver has it in stock, and then I could go pick it up from there. So I gave them a call, and she's like, unfortunately they don't have it in stock at the Cherry Creek Mall. And so I was just like, dang it, like I really want to get this purse. So finally she's like, well, what I can do is send an email or like reach out to the other stores, like our most popular stores, and see if they have it in stock, and you'll most likely get a call within 72 hours. So I was like, okay, cool, that's, you know, like it's worth a shot. If not, oh well, it's not meant to be. Literally 20 minutes later I get a call from the store at the Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive. And I was like, oh shoot, that looks like a really like, you know, fancy Louis Vuitton store. But yeah, so the lady called me. She's like, hey, I seen that you were looking for like the Neo Noe in the color Noir, and I actually have one in stock. I'm just gonna send you over a receipt if you want to get it, and we can ship it out to you. And I was like, yeah. So I hopped on it real quick and was able to get it. I did end up having to pay the difference. It was like 400 or 500 bucks or something. I think like 500 bucks, I can't remember. So I ended up paying the difference, and then she's like, I'm gonna send you my card, so if you do have any other future bags you want to get that aren't online in stock, give me a call and I could see if we have it in stock and we could send it to you again. And I was like, yay, that's awesome. She was super sweet, nice lady. And then I never received like a tracking or anything, so I was kind of like, okay, like it's probably gonna get here like Saturday. I talked to her on Monday, and it got here actually yesterday, which was Wednesday. So I was super excited. I was actually about to leave my driveway, and with Louis Vuitton packages you have to sign for them. They can't just leave them at your doorstep, which totally fine with, but there's been times where I'm not home to sign for them, and it's kind of like a game of tag where they can't drop it off, or I'm not home, like, you know, stuff like that, and you don't get a warning. And I didn't have a tracking either, so that was kind of sucked. So it ended up being perfect timing though, because when I was pulling out of the driveway, the UPS guy showed up, and I was like, what the heck? So yeah, it got here pretty quick, within 2 days. So that was pretty nice. And yeah, I'm super excited to share the unboxing with you guys. This is like literally how it came wrapped, and I think it's because the box is so big. I did throw away the shipping box. Well, it's right here on the floor. Because I just took it out last night because I was like, oh my god, this thing is so bulky. Like, I'll show you all the shipping box, how big the shipping box is. So I just threw it away and I just opened it up real quick, but that's all. I just took it out of the box. I haven't actually looked at the bag. I was waiting to do this unboxing for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm so excited. All right. We'll just untie this. Like, even this was titled like not cute or anything, so. But I mean, I think it's because the box is like super huge. Like, I think this is like one of the biggest boxes I have, besides my Neverfull. But my Neverfull is like more skinny. Like, the box for that one is like skinny. I don't know why it won't come off. Let me try to get this off real quick. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for quite some time, and I've been wanting like what I'm most excited about is that it's like you could carry it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. So, oh, something already fell out. Okay, so let's see. So it's pretty big, that's all that it is, you know, basic Louis Vuitton packaging. And then here's my receipt book. So it has my receipt, so I'm not going to show you guys that. And then it has this card that says, "Thank you, Donna Snyder, client advisor at the Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive." So I mean, if you guys are interested in giving her a call, and so she can help you out if you guys are looking for a Neo Noe or any other bag, I would definitely recommend giving her a shout, giving her a call so she can help you guys out and take care of you. So I'll link her number like right there, or I'll link her name right here so you guys could just call, you know, when you guys are looking. You guys could just call and ask for her. But yeah, so this is her business card and then my receipt. This is definitely a different receipt than I'm used to because my other ones are like super long. But I think it's because this is like an in-store purchase, so that's why. I'm not sure, honestly. So, I'm like, I'm running out of room. I need to figure something out with these dang boxes. Like, these are huge. I honestly might just start like throwing them away. So yeah, here it is. Let's go. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It smells like new. So this is what it looks like. It has the black straps right here, the noir. I don't know how to say it. That's probably going to bother me because it looks a little crooked. So this is what it looks like. The back and the bottom. Okay. And then let's stretch this out. So inside is like a suede lining. So, and then there is a zipper compartment in the middle. So definitely believe, guys, that I am going to be uploading a what do you call it, what's in my purse soon. So it's crazy. So the inside is a suede lining, and this pocket right here is the canvas. Like this has canvas like inside of the bag too. That's weird. And then it comes with this small little middle pocket. Let's see what's inside of there because I don't know where the cards are. Okay, right here. So in that pocket it has the item number, the textile card. So with these, I usually put them in the receipt thing so I don't lose them. So those are going to go right there. But yeah, so this is what the bag looks like. It's super pretty. I love it so much. Let me see if I could adjust the straps. I don't know how to do that. So let's see. What do you do? I'm so confused. Hold on. Oh, okay. So yeah, there we go. Oh my god, let me try on the as crossbody. Let's see. So I'm about, here, I'll pull this, 5'4", and this is what it looks like on me as a crossbody. So it fits like right like at the hip, kind of a little bit. Love it. Oh my god. It's not like, I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason. As far as like the bag, it looks bigger in pictures, but this is the MM. But it's really like not too big. Like, let me compare it to my Pochette Métis. So they're about like it's like taller, but it's like width wise, it's like the same. It seems like it's the same width, but it's just like a little bit taller. So like I said, I'm about 5'4", and this is what it looks like on me. It seems very comfortable. It reminds me of my Neverfull. You can kind of like, you're not too worried about like, you know, damaging it, I guess. The reason why I chose this bag, and I've been wanting, so I don't know if I told you guys, I don't know if you guys knew before, but I had the St. Tange with the noir color, so the black. And I just didn't end up liking it. The leather was cracking a lot on the side. It was like a plasticky, like this has no glaze on it or anything. Yeah, it's like more of a matte, but then St. Todge had like a glaze type on it, and it was like cracking. It was just like very uncomfortable and stiff. So I returned that, but I've always been wanting one with black on it because I don't have to take so much care of it. Like my Neverfull, it has the vachetta leather. Same with my Matisse, it has like the vachetta leather. And I just don't like that I have to like be very careful. Like when it rains or snows or something, I have to cover this bag so it doesn't get spots on it. As you can see, it's already been patinaed quite a bit, and I've only had it since like February, I believe. But I do wear it a lot. But I did want something that I didn't have to take so good care of. Like this, I know I don't have to worry about it patinaing or anything. So that's why I really wanted this bag, because it requires no effort, I guess, to take care of it. But yeah, so I'm just super excited I was able to get it. I work really hard to get things like this, and so does Josh. So it's nice to be able to treat myself, and especially like because I want to wear this on my wedding day to take with me. We get married in 3 months, September, October, November, wait, September, October, yeah, and 3 months and a week. So super crazy and excited, and I just wanted to like use my credit and treat myself to this beautiful bag. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep a lookout on a what's in my bag video on this, so subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I do decide to upload it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.